Yep. You got it. Got it.
Nice.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome to Picks and Hobbies. A few of us headed for a rock crawl session, so enjoy.
New rig, new to me. Built it. Tires ain't broken. Come on, girl, get it.
Almost had it.
Slippery.
Yes. The rain that probably does not help.
It wants to go.
You got it. Got it.
You gotta say it's gonna stop, right?
Oh.
It's slippery. Stuff from the bottom. Yeah, I feel like you need to get top of that. That's pretty good cone.
You should come up this way. It's okay.
I don't think I like that.
Nice.
Watch out, watch out.
Yep. You got it. Got it.
Nice.
I know.
Go ahead, try it. Wait a few first.
Use the ledge to climb up a little bit and then cut across.
Alright.
Yep. Oop. Oh, you went too fast. Climb up a little bit more. Right there.
More power. That's just flipping.
Yep, right there. Now you can slow crawl. Come down a little bit. Go. Yep. Yep, that's the way. Oh,
We're falling again. Mama, get down to the edge.
Yep. That's the way to do it.
There we go.
Doing pretty well with the class 1 tires. It's okay. No, it's okay. Sometimes easier to go left and then cut across.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you go up that way, it's going to start, which is kind of what I was doing wrong with.
Yeah. Yep. Get the bite and then. It's really wet, so.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Got my 24s too, man.
Nice. Oh, is he there?
Yeah, mine's right here.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm like, oh, that's cool. I'll do that instead. It's there's not a scarf on there.
Saved it. Got saved.
I know, right? Oh, there you go.
Nice. Very nice.
Baby. I see a light on that left front wheel.
So I seen it start to pick up and got a low.
I know how to shake the wheels on mine to get it to unload a little bit.
It's got a ton of brass on it. Sung's over here probably cringing, going, too much weight.
Yeah.
This is set up for the bean, man.
Too much weight.
First break of the day.
Couldn't make a Tuesday, man. I was bummed.
I couldn't make it either.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not bummed no more.
This Tuesday, right?
Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Vic's on Hobbies.